Victor Spiritual Teachings, Chapter 21, Inner Freedom. As the spiritual opening increases and the consciousness rises, the person feels more freedom within him, the eternal freedom that no one can take away from him. This feeling of freedom is subjective and increases steadily to more successfully the opening has achieved. In fact, it's a change of mindset that occurs as soon as fear decreases and love increases in the heart. When a person feels and accepts that he is an eternal soul in a mortal body, he will experience a great relief and great freedom at the same time. He feels and senses that he owns nothing here on earth and everything is borrowed, and that the soul comes into the body temporarily to gain experience and to experience earthly life. When this perception occurs, the person will never fear life or death again, and this does not go unnoticed. Also, the awakened person will feel more freedom toward other people. He will stop living according to their needs and wishes of others, and his opinion of others is now less important. He has started to live his life according to his own wishes and needs. Courage has also increased so that the awakened person can say no and yes as appropriated if asked for favors by others. He stops letting others control his life. He gains the courage to live a life that meets his own needs and expectations. He gains the courage to make mistakes without ever lowering himself to them. The awakened person begins to flow in the moment and lives life through the emotions without analyzing everything and everyone with the mind. This is how the anxiety and worry about what could possibly happen in the future disappear. He also ceases to bow down to the wrongdoings of the past, where he has repented and asked for forgiveness. All these things give an increased sense of freedom, and life becomes happy and loving as fear disappeared from the heart. It is the changed mindset that gives this inner freedom that is here to stay, because there is no turning back to its former state. Spiritual awakening and opening are permanent and irreversible, but progress at different rates depending on the contribution of the awakened person. The more the practices meditation and prayer, it is aware of these thoughts, words and action, the greater the results, and the opening will proceed more quickly. It is all up to every one of us, and everything will go its own way according to each individual ability, will and desire. As consciousness increases, the person will gain more balanced and learn to remain calm and always balanced, even if he finds himself in challenging and difficult situations. He does not allow fear to disturb his inner peace, and in the end, nothing will throw him off balance anymore. This is also one of the things that gives a great feeling of freedom, because there is nothing that triggers fear or anxiety. But he learns to deal with what comes along with a lot of balance and considerations. Inner freedom is one of the things that the awakened person will reap through his work and contribution to the spiritual opening. He who makes an effort at the opening will reap many times over with improved quality of life in every way. To be free within oneself despite living in challenging circumstances is a great quality of life that the person acquires. He is not depending on anyone, and no one can take this freedom away from him. It is important to be brave and steadfast in the search for the inner freedom, because in the end the seeker will find it within.